Ubeji obedie. Wode wadwene beman. Ode usikan bedwan nanka bema wonse sifam. Ubeji obedie. Wode wadwene beman. Ode usikan bedwan nanka bema wonse sifam. Fear. Suro Ɔbaa. Suro Ɔbaa. Woman no be pillow to rely on. Suro Ɔbaa. Suro Ɔbaa. Suro Ɔbaa. Fear woman. Suro Ɔbaa. ODO CARPENTER. ODO CARPENTER. Odo sikai bedwa nanka. ODO CARPENTER. ODO CARPENTER. ODO CARPENTER. Odo sikai bedwa nanka.
Yadri tatiako. Yadri tatiako.
Oh. Hey. Okay. I didn't have from phone.
Oh, so jai sa idea de. Yadri tatiako. Eh, yadri tatiako. Yadri tatiako. Ebi fata pa. Awurama.
Edieni. What office is your man? I know who nyai sa.
E ba na kasa sa. Oh. Eh, wunyi de obo.
Hey. Jesus.
Awurama. Ade.
Na you from?
Ade obi ha e bia ka tani.
Ah. Debbie, Ade, what office is your man?
Oh.
From day one na on page area, me feel so assasa.
Awurama buade. Buade unu kunu na.
E say kwada that time.
Buade unu kunu jira wonche buade.
Why me kunu.
Buade na ukunu jira wonche no. Yo do koto adwuma mu no.
Awurama, wo
rest. Safe no be
won. Wo nyai sa fie. Wonim na wo so me mu bie mo ho. Krase for mo ho me anwon be na mo to ba no. Money nti da money na
tati akrom agro de adi da bia.
Money mabusuafo, money ne mo senom na edun tati akrom.
Zakula.
Awo me mention tati ama. Do I look like an ant? No, the question is, do I look like an ant? Hey, Kowachi now, me, Adai, what person who sent to come and one?
This is not how we start.
And vows they wash a red. Never do vows, then you would your best.
Oh, Awurama.
Hey! Arade! Oh, my just say. A pobe gume. A pobe tia gume so chicken pox be gume. Chicken pox be gume. Adai bra.
Sini na mehwa na ase ready.
Ade na am say ase
Awurama ye do tete kom da bi na say
we be ni look I am.
Awurama.
Ni look oko.
Ni
look menkei. Ni look I am. Why? Ni look afase.
Awurama hu ofe enyimi sa ma wadwem na fie
da bia njimi di anka
enyimi da betie ma de oye na ejibi sem na ojimi da sem impedesa ye ni wa na wo area ye ni wa na move na wo adan hu se okunu no ye do koto adwuma mu do fie na
wo sa pan o
apa na nkwa
huju wo sa pan papa
da kuku wo dia yanko
adai enwa chen wa chen so wotene e dey na wo je no me ho how do hunya nya besra me adai obe na je se me ko fie sa kwa kodware ye ma fa me hu se ya me bia na so de ye no so asefo ene ye de chat so mo de hu me mo no be de sa agro no wote mo mpe mo so no
ye tete krom no jaji
me yenta
abrobe na wudi
me yenta tia
isi abrobe na wudi
de sia no me pia me corner high tech what you say cappuccino level
ayaya
yes ayaya na medu
we refi udi no
oh no me yem from ayaya
la ne for tree ayaya ene de wo ajibi se wo
no listen you from me Olebe Ncheba that's the full name
Olebe Ncheba ne for tree se we Olebe Ncheba
sa ne for tree no eyem mo class na me say me medu no Maria Legon.
Awurama, ona na yezi.
E friend say 190 no, e tete bed sheet. Enti pe eyi bi fa gu ho na fa akasha. Na fa na twim. Onye nyan.
Dang! Hey! Oluwa ma gbo kirode ma gbe.
Agba na agba gugu agba ko gba zakula ku api.
Choko nye.
Ai! O aini.
Esiri bere nga. Ochoko.
Inyawu nyanya.
Injele no injele hey but I'm not sure Rama mean tell Rama hey Rama
Madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Awurama, one bad man.
Oh, someone spoke you. Anna, what pay?
Papi akoi.
I know the any more crime is or
you can not cry fear so obey
Madam, I'm calling 7 or
shit. Yeah, you know. Madam, you heard me person me come home. I case me ba bia me yam fi. Di pana ka free so obey man. Ni kuru ba na so pie. Pie for what? Sure. Masa, man no be
shift ko say kakra man.
Me na my Awurama ya me. Huh?
I high police station.
Hey, madam, nyake ma gro me.
What oni wo yire wo fie. Na so obesua adwuma. Na se waba. Oba adwuma na se waba. Na wo hunya asase oba wo yire adwuma mu abehhehye na wo bisa me se wo yire we na me se wo pia. Wo se den wo
ka you say oh hefa. Okay, oh hefa.
Wa gen no. Ase ye yi brain na ewo mu no. Ene ya store new ma store store new ma gu.
Mama office high office bi ama oh. Office obi shop bi ama.
Monyira.
Office obi shop bi ama.
Madam. Ma respect you pa tina. Ma fan form ama. One mama fan was sure and yan koha.
Boy,
I bring somebody to your care. I bring somebody to your care say that show the person in work. The person have go outside, we are telling you about Edogo here Africa go.
Megbono.
No nya mature.
Oya mature with baby do kon want yan ka just madam.
Na ma be kira ne de onye.
Village wa ifa.
Me na ma be kira ne de onye.
Madam. What one kwala wa hanu mo.
Mo pie na dede wa ha do.
Ya bia kwai. Huh?
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Ana wan so ra so won se me nkonya no.
Ala be samai.
Excuse me.
Self so be any usuma
me ti. I told you ma fa ayi guti bi ebi ni ana.
Hey, hello.
Awaka ho. Na be ayi wo hin Awurama we.
I haven't gotten the chance to talk to you guys. If I get that chance, you will vanish.
You're speaking English.
Kasa kwa.
And have you given me the chance?
Giving me the chance. Giving me the chance.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah.
As a gentleman as you are.
Yes.
You entered into our shop.
Yes.
Did you have the sense to greet? No.
I greeted. Didn't I greet?
Bema, is it better me?
Hey! Madam, your madam is speaking unconditionally. You are speaking like that to me.
Time I know dear Reban, where were you? Yeah. Were you part?
He's my friend.
I don't know you.
Hey.
Let me talk to you.
Yeah, talk.
If you have sense.
Madam, you are looking at your apprentice and
madam. No, it seems you don't understand what
I understand. Say that your madam, I bring my daughter, my girlfriend to your madam. Say make it show her work. When you are sitting here right now, when you are go outside, you don't go tell your madam. Say, madam, I'm going to this place. I don't go to say that. Won't you say that? Why is your madam telling me that one him baby dear me Awurama ako?
So one me be come now me dwuma me nyasa. One me be come now me. Say the
madam mo ba na so almost no
na why you tintin tin me na ka on kwa na asa den.
You judge her.
You judge her so be am farm. Madam fans,
Suro Ɔbaa, to rely on Suro Ɔbaa, ODO CARPENTER, ODO CARPENTER, ODO CARPENTER.
Yeah, you okay. I want not to be na person me no di home.
Asa on looky way.
Yeah.
Ada, what is it?
So, once I make a semi or me and chain. And 1 or 2 because I'm an angel.
Okay.
And think can make a son come in moving free home.
Okay.
And compare me and a place na mention.
Okay.
Major, I'll pay a bear marriage. I may know what we used to do. Come at 2 and so we now 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms.
It's okay, I understand you.
Yeah.
And me who the opposite trading they say why a big girl, and I don't see the reason why you should still live with your auntie. You get at least you need your own room. I mean, it's a 2-bedroom big crown now, 2-bedroom apartment to be at least
3 crown your bad.
That is it. 3 year doors to do.
No, 3 years.
So
I am a dressing room and the other one will be my guest room.
Okay.
What if say be a madam be person be me fear one day.
Okay.
No, I cook on them.
All right. And also in your part.
Yes. And I'll do one thing Mr. Maybe I also saw me with the metro. Now me da from flat.
Okay.
They say what the metro pick it they say.
Okay.
And baby I would the metro no. So who jam me no be sure say ya. What happened?
Okay.
And him go see I be pa no. One shana me ntimi na my me ho bone.
No,
It's a baby, I may who say, or do kind out the door. Miss Rowe. Any money we out of my or family member back home. Is it oh my may and our papa na win your back crana and your bad. Send me home, send Panam in the 2 and a morning. Me name the chica.
Okay.
Yes, I ain't. I mean, name what she and I think saying your fair.
I think so. You're coming up with a very good suggestion. Anyway. What do you say? Catherine, I am my best friend. And I said I'm seeing Catherine with you. There's no way say Awurama may disappoint you. And I say, me always see baby just like that. I can't do that. But anyway, no problem with that. I mean, you have no problem. But the whole thing is, I will let you see my family if that is what you wanted. Are you getting my point? I'll let you see my family. Is either my mom or my dad, and I'm
at least my husband said, "You're not me come on."
At least.
Yes, I mean, catch you. I want to see again. It's son. If the last time, you buy a Siana again, yeah, Awurama kwa radio attitude of my huh? If we be a drone, and yeah, Sisia, what castle bedroom? You buy when you have an I have an hour. Opa and checking if you and Cochaki be Okufia. I am Kofi and call Uncle Chaki. You know, names and Madame no clan. I say, Bikwana, Yadibina, Until Coxi. Now, Madame will be a brother. Madame, I know Obuzo or any person will be only baby dear Wako. When you will be able to acquire. Aye, I mean, Côte d'Ivoire, I can't say. I check I'm quite yeah. We know who problem. And I'm a bagana coming by day. Gariba, wanna bear my mate to attack a Gariba. Oh, say yes. Problem is see ye. I can also have that waiting with Germany Dimatel. And I call about Cabro for the ticket. What ticket of no country. So a fabulous flash, I mean, I'm smart flash. Oh, names are one phone French and I will be French or orange. Young take if you. You will know fee and coffee. They will do what I mean, canning some. The air was and so say yes, I'm Rama. I want you to want to see. Man, person, my dream will be a pick you. Edward Bar, you say you said what is one man also. We got a guy. And the my fair fra. Why a hen I make apart from the will be and it is true. Yeah, and it's true. So don't worry, I will find time now, or call my parents. That's what I said about your baby bar because baby a nice girl and I just don't want to lose you. I'm saying now, kind of my memory. I just don't want to lose you. You won't lose me. You know it. Mini baby apple. Me or mini baby apple. So. Mini baby apple. Anyway, so what kind of sad? Yeah. I'm very okay. Maybe I'm patch. I won't see me. Come in, Sophie. Yeah. So. All right, then I'm Sophie. Why? There's okay 1 or 2. Man's best as I Awurama, baby girl, everything on point. I tell you. One way me say, and you know that. But the friend is saying,
I'll call you and we'll talk about that.
Sure.
I don't know, say they say we can mean weekly and I mean monthly and I mean the same because I don't know.
Hey. Andrew month crown the other mama no enough. Yes,
okay,
into the year said they were now.
Some more here.
Yes.
Okay.
I have my pocket.
So,
Ubeji obedie. Would they want you never man? Or those kind be done and cover my one says ifam. Ubeji obedie. Would they want you never man? Or those kind be done and cover my one says ifam. Fear, 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 fear. Suro Ɔbaa. Suro Ɔbaa. To rely on Suro Ɔbaa.
Oh, me wada Roma. We are open your bonnet. We are in your bonnet. Ya kwa edwuma Roma ni ho. Anya bia mpacho wo fia fenema enne won komo wada Roma.
Mo kwa edwuma mo ni ho.
Oni ho.
Mala dom, mala fu.
Yes fi fa no pa. Roma ni fie.
Ah papa o fifie. O me da me so o fifie anopa ene kwa edwuma. Ti me nim so kwa edwuma.
Mame, me pacho wada Roma, me fero pa. Nsem a wo kana sisu ye. O fif da bi, wa no kaka boso pacho.
Me si wo fifie anopa pa na kwa edwuma.
Nti wa nda fie.
Wa na fie.
Me dia me anka ncho so wa na fie, me si wo fifie anopa pa na kwa edwuma.
Ma wo kwa edwuma.
Si na me kan no wa.
Na ye kwa edwuma so oni ho.
Na sese woni wa me di na chi. Ana me ye bet ya me bo no.
Enye sane no kan wo.
Hwan?
Enye sane no kan no.
Hey!
Ma. Hey.
Sheye. O ye so de ne kwato adwumam. Me ka sai mu ye misane ye.
E no ka sai.
O se wa pe me.
Na me na me kan.
Ye pe no so ka kire se ye bebo amane
hansa. Me na me kan ye.
Okay.
Mu bebo amane no. Oba time me bisae. E sansa nye me na me ko. Etu ntimi mema me warning.
Me warning is a question.
What me me sha me so ofia.
I'm as a question I'm asking you.
Hey, patron.
Samu ye nyansafo anka me ka say ye misane ye no. Ka muso mu badwena ho.
Hey, I say wa fa sa aba pe.
Mame.
Ma fa sa aba nyansamfo no ka kina me na.
O ka sa tia.
Sa me na me pene ye.
Ta ma fa kale poli no wan ma bla no.
Ede mu ba to sa ye o bibia ta.
Wala umbrella ba wan see you.
Asam na ba ye pa asam ne puma sibra. Ba ne wo ye no wo ya man bu afu.
Oh, hello baby. Oh, okay. Ni na wako.
Me frezu na ebe.
Pula. Ada wa hwe manu.
Ai.
Awurama hin fa na ko ye. Awurama hin fa na ko ye. Ya ba adwuma mu ni ho. Ya ba fie so woni fie hin fa na ko ye Awurama.
Why na kasa me hosa hin fa na ko ye.
Me dan for no one kai.
See who's talking or wo. Una kasa me.
Hey, what to sa? Awurama wo to sa. Awurama me kasa chro.
Madam
baba wo ka wo.
What's here to me? Na say ntafre to me ba na wo say.
I can't say some to me. Mame, what's over na mama tum? Wo ba ni bo so so to aye ti o. Wo ni won sun wa no.
Bojiri.
Ah. Wa he dey ba tu fi am to nyakopo.
Sobolo.
Wo chao.
To nyakopo. Ye be se fi ana mu.
Hey. Bojiri aba mo.
Obo mas wo.
Ma o dey anya fi.
Obo mas mama me to ti. E no dey inside wo ku ni po. Kasa.
Se pa me nya de mi ko bu no.
Ana ko me me. Ka me ma me wo hu.
Ha.
O ma me.
Ayo yaya.
Oh, la maka wo ngora.
Bi wala ba san kwasi. Ba san kwasi.
Oh, ma.
Ba san kwasi di ni wa.
Ba ye mi hu o. It my jaw ma pato.
O hu me na me si kura bem. Ana hu me na me si pe.
It my jaw ma pato.
Na ye ja me.
Abrama.
Sha.
Baby.
Eh, e di ni Awurama.
Akpi.
Awurama.
Be wana bo ho ka. Hu jimi. Ha. Hu di jimi.
Oh, Sobolo why ye dede lulu na mo nya gbo mo nya sa mo hala.
Ah, mani nyimi.
Awurama. What awako he? I've been looking for you all around. Huh?
Me firi mampon ko mo na aduru ha.
Na then now, as you say, what it is, what you mean, never now.
Ana me kire o se me firi mampon ko me ko petepete aduane wo ho me ko ma na nanom.
Kwasi akasa wo ka, kwasi akasa we kasa isa wo ka.
Sa wo ba mi.
Oh, Sobolo. Rama, I'm not trying to say
Ade asam na woka.
Ma wo bibi kitu abi aka.
De ye gina ho na.
Awurama. Bra na oba ye nipa wo fie. Why? Bra.
Ma me ba ye nipa wo fie a woka. Nya se bia me ka se bia me ba ye moa wo fie. De ye fie na ma ba nya fie na ma ba.
O to nsa.
Ma ba fie. Ala ye ka se me ba ye so. Ma ba to se me ma me.
Rama ko anu tum. Adai. Wo jidi ayi.
Awurama.
Ade na wo je.
Obaye na bra ne ka no baye hu wo. Why ye bi ye nka so ye bi atoa so. E se ne wanya no ka se tia me maame me boa. Wanya no e ka se tia me maame.
Hey! Ono bi so ye papa na ya na so ye bone.
Ka se tia me nyo